Welcome to my channel, guys. Thanks to all the people who subscribe to my channel. Continue to like, share, tell a friend, tell a next friend, so they can subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to clean my kitchen. I see my stove already. Okay, guys. This is a piece of my stove. So now I am going to clean my kitchen counter. Guys, I'm going to clean my Guys, I'm going to mop my floor, so bucket is so handy. You don't have to touch the mop. You can just wet your mop right here and put it right here, and you set on this and spin out all the water out of it. All of the water. Spin out of it, guys. I love this bucket so much. This is my kitchen that I have cleaned. This is my stove. I have used my stove cleaner to clean my stove, and also a degreaser to remove the grease from off the rock, the stove rock. Okay, and I've also used the degreaser on the backdrop of my kitchen wall. Backdrop, the kitchen wall. Okay, this is my counter. I've used the degreaser. I've also used the degreaser on my kitchen counter and the backdrop of my kitchen here to remove all the grease from it. Guys, this is my kitchen. And my coffee maker, I've used a degreaser to remove the grease from my coffee maker. But when we fry stuff, the grease has a way of taking control of everything. So I've used a degreaser to clean my coffee maker. And my air fryer also, I've used a degreaser to clean it. My kitchen counter. And my door, I've also used a degreaser. And my cupboard, I've used a degreaser also on it. And my door also, I have used a degreaser. And this is my produce rock. This basket, I've bought it at Amazon. And I keep my fruits at the top. And my season in the middle and my produce at the bottom. It's a handy, stylish rock basket. It's a handy, stylish basket, and I love it. So over here, this is my pantry. I have also used a degreaser on my pantry to clean my pantry, and I've used my glass cleaner to clean my fridge and the degreaser also. Okay, and my kitchen floor, I have cleaned, mopped it cleanly, wipe it, clean my kitchen floor. Okay. My counter that I have decorated also. I love a lot of flowers. This is my sunflowers. Falling spring early. I'll see spring early. This is my sunflowers. My kitchen right over there. My counter.